Hi guys, and welcome to the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio. Today we're joined by the Ring Magflex Twist Inspection Light, which we're just going to do a little video guide for, tell you some of the features of the light, tell you what we like, tell you what we're not sure about on it, and just give you a general oversight of the light itself. So the Magflex Twist Light by Ring, straight away a good sort of quality, solid feeling piece of kit. You've got several features to the light. You have the 360 rotating base that also pivots 180, so you've got a great degree of sort of flexibility in where you can position the light. And nice and handy on there as well, it does have a magnet, so you can hang it off a metal surface, twist it to adjust to your needs, and leave it for free, sort of hands-free inspecting. It also has a magnet on the back, so if you don't want to rotate, you just want a flat sort of beam of light, you can just attach with the magnet on the back of the light. And it does have a hook for hanging as well. And it has in terms of light output, it has a front-facing torch and a floodlight, and two different light settings that we'll demonstrate in a moment for you. Okay, so we have, as mentioned, the front-facing torch on the light, and with the sort of free rotating base, it does allow you to get into areas and to focus at different angles using the rotation of the light. Good for sort of focused inspection. And then we also have the floodlight setting of the light, which does give out a nice wide field of light for inspecting larger areas. Again, with the rotation of the base, that does allow you to get that sort of degree of light over wherever you want to position it, really. So a nice useful feature of the light there, and it allows you to get into areas to inspect that you might not previously been able to do so. Slight criticism of the light, although it's not necessarily a criticism, it just is a slightly more cumbersome light than some of its rivals. It's not huge, but in terms of getting into the more intricate areas, some of its rivals do have a little bit more ease of access and a little bit more flexibility, although as we've mentioned, the fact that the base can rotate so much does allow you to get around the corners a little bit. So not necessarily a criticism, but compared to some of the rivals, it doesn't quite have the flexibility in terms of the size of the kit itself. Okay, so just looking at the actual light output of the device, this is the front-facing torch that we have on at the moment. Compared to some of the rivals we tested, it's not quite as bright, but it does still put out a decent beam for focusing on more specific areas. And if we switch to the floodlight setting, again, it puts out a decent amount of light, possibly not quite as bright as some of the rivals we tested, but it does light up a decent area, so if you're inspecting in the dark, it will serve its purpose well for you. So the Ring Magflex Twist Inspection Light then. Compared to some of the rivals, no, it's not as bright as some of the rivals we've tested. It doesn't have quite as big a floodlight area and quite as bright a focused torch. But what it does have is price on its side. You can pick up this light for around the £20 to £30 mark, making it one of the cheaper inspection lights on the market, and it doesn't compromise on the feel of quality, and it certainly makes up for a little bit of its lackingness in brightness and in output, in its flexibility for hands-free inspection, with its 360 rotating base and its 180 pivoting base as well. So overall, a very good, useful piece of kit that feels very solidly put together, and you can get for a good price. Thanks for watching that video. Please make sure to check out where we place that inspection light in the group test at the end. Check out our results video where we rank them alongside each other and tell you our top 3 lights. Please check out the other videos on the Trusted Car Products YouTube channel. Thanks as always for watching.